Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how long to make hard-boiled eggs using an easy method. First, gently place your eggs in a pot and add enough cold water to cover them by about 1 inch. Bring the water to a rolling boil over high heat. Once boiling, immediately remove the pot from the heat, cover it tightly, and let the eggs sit for 9 to 12 minutes, depending on your desired doneness. This simple technique ensures perfectly cooked eggs every time. The cooking time directly impacts the yolk's texture. For a slightly jammy, soft-boiled egg, aim for 6 to 7 minutes of resting time. If you prefer a firm but still creamy yolk, 9 minutes is usually perfect. For a fully firm, classic hard-boiled egg, let them sit for 12 minutes. Experiment to find your ideal consistency, as egg size can also play a small role in these timings. Once your eggs have rested, it's crucial to stop the cooking process immediately. Transfer them to an ice bath for at least 5 minutes. This rapid cooling helps prevent the greenish ring around the yolk and makes peeling much easier. To peel, gently tap the egg on a hard surface, then roll it to crack the shell all over. Peel under cold, running water for the smoothest results. Proper storage keeps your hard-boiled eggs fresh and delicious. If peeled, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, covered with a damp paper towel to prevent drying. Unpeeled eggs can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. They make a fantastic, quick snack or addition to salads. Also, make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to those and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.